Hello, in front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch. To do it, simply press and hold the upper button. And once the logo appears on the screen, you can release the button, and after a couple of seconds, your watch should turn on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list, find the language you like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and then tap the check mark to continue. Now, you should see the QR code on the screen of the watch. That means we need to download and install the REALME Link application on our iPhone. And you can do it in two ways. First method is to basically open the camera app, scan the QR code from the watch, and that should redirect you to the download page of the app. And the second method is to simply open the App Store on your watch, or rather on your iPhone, go to the search for the REALME Link app, and then download the app there. I'm just gonna use the first option, the scan the link, or rather the QR code. So I'm gonna open the photo app on our iPhone, scan the QR code, tap on the link, and it should redirect us to the page. Here we can tap on accept, then tap on the download on App Store, and it's gonna open the App Store, redirect us to the REALME Link application. Now let's tap on this icon right here to start the installation of the app, and wait until the app is done installing. Once the app is done installing, we can open it by tapping on open button right here, or we can open it by tapping on the icon on the home screen. In the app, we need to tap on agree. Also, we need to check if the Bluetooth is enabled. So let's open the panel. As you can see on my iPhone, the Bluetooth is disabled. So I'm gonna tap on the icon to enable it. Here I'm gonna tap on got it. Now we can allow the REALME Link app to send the notifications to our watch. If you want to get the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, tap on allow. If you don't, tap on don't allow. And here we see the Bluetooth message again, tap on OK. And now we should see the list of locations. Basically here we need to select the location we are in, basically. So let's find the location. For example, I'm gonna select the United States. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down. Oh, never mind, not all the way down. Let's find the United States on the list. I don't see United States, so I'm just gonna select United Kingdom, and then tap next. And once you select the location, you should see, or rather region, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the plus button right here. Now we need to log in into an account. You can do it in two ways. You can log in with the password or use the OTP. So if you select sign with the OTP, basically you can sign with the phone number. I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on sign in. Here tap on agree. Now you're gonna receive the verification code on your email, so tap on get verification code. I'm gonna check my email. Enter the code. Then tap on confirm. And once you're logged in, you will see the username right here at the top. Now we can tap on the plus button again. Tap on got it. Again, we can allow the permission for the location. So if you want to use some services like weather and stuff like that, tap to allow the permission. If you don't, you can deny it. I'm just gonna tap on allow while using the app. And as you can see, the app already found our watch right here. But if you don't see the watch right here, you can tap on the watch category, scroll down, select the Realme Watch S, and as you can see, it found our watch. Tap on it, tap on Pair. Now, if you want to display the notifications on our watch from our iPhone, we need to allow this permission. So I'm gonna tap on allow, but you can deny it. Confirm the pairing by tapping on the check mark on the watch. Oh, I was too slow, I think. Yes. So I'm gonna tap on pair again, tap on the check mark. And as you can see, it says device paired. We can tap on get started. Check the box right here. Tap on agree. And we have a device page for our Realme Watch S. Also, our watch is now ready to use. We can use it now. And that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.